Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Another water shader to add to the collection by Harry. Pins and Needles in the Hand by Sorb. Testing lighting setups on this piece by Daria. Flash Kick by Six Thorns. Have you seen the trailer for the Alpha by Pocket Wheels? Use color and size to represent pitch by Wenzy. This is the underground part of the Burning Rangers by Andreas.
This is big. Elevators to the underground levels are shut down. I'll try using the elevator shaft.
The power has been restored. Keep moving.
The new indie trailer for Mile High Taxi by Cass. The link is below. Flying a nuke bike into a wall by Rodal. camera would flash, click Another Happy Moment by Studio JNSQ. The link is below. Blacklight Firefly approved by Happy Juice Games. Open Sesame by Paul, the wishlist below. Secrets can be found on some of the small islands close to the coast by Omelette and Yogurt. Not everything is smashing enemy heads by Main Loop. First version of Placeholders by Six Thorns. Is it a plant or an aggressive dune worm by Guild of Dragons? Flame Up by You Alexis. Remember when you could pet the dog in a cutscene in Outbound Ghost by Conradical Games. Explore a surreal world full of anatomical horror as a humanoid black hole by Grime. A cute exploration game made over the weekend by Constantine. Experience the world through the eyes of ancient humans by Way of the Wrath. Link is below. Bridging the gap between old-school dungeon crawlers, arcade RPGs, and combo-driven fighters, Crumbling World is a casual dive into dark fantasy. Download on Steam today, the link is below. Weather and Storage Systems for Desolace by Mark. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.